Today, I just want to show you how to resolve the issue of your SMS when you click on SMS and it keeps loading. Right now, I've done mine, so mine is not loading. So if yours is just loading and it's just static on one place and telling you to wait, keep telling you to wait, like waiting, showing waiting. So all you have to do is just log in to your MiFi. Once you've logged in, then you come to system setting at the end. You click on system setting, then you come to restore factory setting. Once you click on restore factory setting, you reset the factory settings and it will fix the whole issue of the SMS. So then all you have to do is change your password again, log in again. So if you want to log in, you use your admin as username, admin as password. So that will allow you to log in. So you can now change your password and username later on. So let me recap. Log in, go to system settings, and then go to restore factory settings, and then restore factory settings. After you're done with that, you can log in back with admin. I think with that you're done. So again, this will restore your SMS back. So next time, to avoid the SMS from loading and loading, just keep deleting as they come. So if you get an SMS, delete it immediately so that the storage space will be clean, because the MiFi has a very little storage space. That's why it keeps loading. So thank you. I think that's all. You might be struggling to find a solution online. So I just decided this will help someone struggling or encountering the same issue. So don't forget to subscribe and give a like and share. Bye.